Catherine Bernardo update. Trending pa nga si Catherine sa Twitter. 2 century tuna super ban. Cat best you ever. Ay, minimake-upan pa nga si Catherine ng kanyang glam team. And dyan sa White Space Makati. Official launch of Century Tuna Super Bands 2024. In-interview pa nga si Catherine na 3 bigating istasyon. GMA, ABS-CBN, TV5. Grabe yun. Kaya yung pag-rampa ni Catherine. Nasa kanyang interview ni Team Yap kay Catherine.
Like what I've done on my voice, it has always been my dream to be part of this family. No joke, unlike Century Tuna. That's why when they reached out to my team, January this year, 2024, I got really excited. And tonight, I'm just really grateful. Maraming salamat to our bosses, to my Century Tuna family for making this dream come true. And of course, I admire the brand because of their commitment in promoting healthy habits such as, having a healthy lifestyle and having the right diet. So ever since talaga, pag nakikita ko yung campaigns nila, it's just so inspiring, and now it just feels so surreal that I am now part of that campaign. And super odd, oh my God, thank you so much.
Like what Carlos said, it's aspiration, perspiration, and inspiration. You are that for us, through the years, we've seen you grow into the woman that you have become, and how do you think your partnership in Century Tuna helped you become the best version of yourself? I love love for Catherine Bernardo, and we will continue to support you and all your endeavors, of course, with the Century Tuna family. With that said, let me invite on stage our Executive Vice President and Chief Operating Officer of Century Tuna, Mr. Greg Banzon, and the Vice President and General Manager for Credit Tuna Division, Mr. Carlo Endaya. We also have Marketing Manager of Century Tuna and Banta Coco, Ms. Bea Valesca Martinez, and Senior Product Manager of Century Tuna, Ms. Marty Dator. Let's give our Century Tuna fam a big warm round of applause.
That's Catherine. So, Century Tuna Super Fan Best You Ever event. Huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe, click ang notification bell for more update. Ito po ang Richard Reaction Vlog. Bye guys, team forward.